The result of personal interview. On the basis of the personal interview conducted in the office of the SDSEO Williamnagar from 27 November to 4 December. Take la conduct ka interview. The result jungine klami kane kare po Williamnagar on the following list of successful candidates in order of merit and in compliance with the state reservation policy and roster system in place hereby recommended by the board of interview appointed to the post of assistant teacher of government LP school under East Karhil district Meghalaya. Name of a candidate under UR category Shri Thesius Grimchar Chingchina Waimong Silvan Rakte Pakme Eza Jasmina Justila Arsangma. And then Garo category Graham Mingam Kayolan Darulda Lipton Tresina Jackman Barbira Rakseng Nesbrilina Manbrik Perik Preciously Jovika Manse Bukan Twinkle Tezi Azanti Elsa Dora Jempil Hunterbat Leziana Nazia Kleabat Gregory Mangzang Sangwa Carbios. This is Garo category. And Tangrik Denira Salniti Shanti Jeremiah Nekitha Jimbera Biten James Bud Balsim Catherine Grenot Sengmatchi Dickinson Tengjrang Esmi Sebastian Jerangding Zulera Tengmi Ani Namsila Rahul Silman Tapush Naomi. And for the post of PWD there are no candidate, no applicant, so it will be remain vacant. Kan sa kuntu kini post. Then for other STSC Mukesh Basfor Amar Biswa and Hiteswar Nabha. The recommendation of the candidate shall confer no claim for appointment unless the appointing authority is satisfied after such inquiry as may be considered necessary that the candidate are suitable in respect kemudba antara ada pen biang lot ki dokumen ke ibaro ada pen verify de ibaro te kisah long successful. Thank you Mtet. Pleasure.